BB-8. Grab the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
All recruits and transport. No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate replay sequence on every crash with the car.
Fill in all available space now. Continue all the way forward. All the way in now. That's your left, that's your right. Fill in all available space. Please do not stop in the middle now, recruits. Continue all the way forward now. Clear those doors once you enter.
Good. Open another hyperdrive. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also. Hyperdrive need to get down the AVU. Good. Airspeed sensor? AVU. Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got? Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path for transport to make a jump.
Evasive action!
Try to shake your balloon!
I'm trying, bro!
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Get off. Anything else getting? Get off. Let's go.
How the hell did you get? Oh, that's awesome. Together at all times. Now quickly.
on orange. How many? 2? Join this unit here on orange. How many? 2? Go ahead and take red. How many? Join this unit here on red. How many? Go ahead and take blue. 1? Go ahead and join this unit here on blue. Take a look at the color that you're currently standing on, as it will be vital for your interrogation. Step on the colors away from the walls and lights. Orange and gray into the cell. Red, blue, follow right behind.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side and...
Host coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find them away.
Recortos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
All right, front row, arms up, please, front row. Big, follow the yellow tab on the right-hand side. Thank you, back
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're on breach. You're touching block breach.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D.
Now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Found the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
Of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffery's power pizza.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! Oh, you're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5. You too.